Hello everyone, welcome to our channel NEET MCQs 2021, and today we discuss about rest of the MCQs of chapter 1. So as you can see, here are some match of the following type questions. So let's start without wasting any time. Question number 63. So in the first column common names are given, and in the second column orders are given. So we have to find out the correct one. So let's start. For wheat, order Poels. For mango, order is Sapindales. For housefly, order is which? It is Diptera. And for man, the correct order is Primata. So the correct option is option B. Now we have to move on. Question number 64. Question number 64. In the first column, we have given some common names, and in the second column, we have some category, that is family. So we have to find out the correct one. So let's start. For men, the family is Hominidae. Okay. For Datura, the family is Solanaceae, and for mango, the family is Anacariaceae, and for wheat, the family is Pisceae. So the correct option is option A for this. Now we have to move on. Question number 65. In this also we have some biological name given in first column, and in second one the biological class is given. So we have to find out the right one. So let's start. Homo sapiens belong to class Mammalia. Okay guys. And for Musca domesticata, the class is which? This is insects. And for Mangifera indica, the class is Dicotyledone. And for the Triticum aestivum, the class is Monocotyledone. Okay. So the correct option is option C. Now we have to move on. Question number 66. In this we also have to match out the right one. So the option A is National Botanical Research Institute. It is located in Lucknow. Okay guys. Now the second is Indian Botanical Garden. It is in Havda. And binomial nomenclature is mainly given by Carolus Linnaeus. And the fourth one is a unit of classification. It is basically a taxon. Now we have to move on. Question number 67. Question number 67 is also a matching type question. So let's start with option A. Family. Family, we have to find out which is family in the second column. So family is Solanaceae. Okay. And kingdom is basically Plantae. And genus is Solanum. The species is Tuberosum. And the order is Polymonales. Okay. As we know, the suffix ale, order have a suffix ales, so we can identify through it. So option number B is correct for this. Now we have to move on. Question number 68. In this question, which of the following animals is correctly matched with the particular name taxonomic category? So we have to find out the right one. Let's check. Option A is tiger. The tigress, the species. Option B, cuttlefish, mollusca, class. Option C, humans, primata, the family. Option D, housefly, musca, and order. So the correct option is tiger. Means tigress, the species. Okay guys, this is here the correct one. Now question number 69 is which of the following taxonomic category of housefly is incorrectly matched? So here we have to find out the incorrect one. So let's check. Genus Musca, family Muscidae, order Primata, class Insecta. So the incorrect one is order Primata. Okay, so the option is for 69, the correct option is option number C. Now we have to move on question number 70. In question number 70, which of the following organism is not correctly matched with its particular? So we have to find out here incorrect one. So 4 options are given. Let's check which is incorrect. First is human beings, sapiens a species. B is lion, Panthera a genus. C is cats, Felidae a genus. Datura a Solanaceae family. So here the incorrect one is option C, cats. Okay, Felidae, it's not a genus. Now we have to move on question number 71. It is a match of the following type question. So let's check the correct answer of this question. Growth, reproduction, metabolism, cellular organization in the column 1 and to the column 2. So growth. Basically, what is growth? It is increase in mass in number of individuals. So for growth, option 3 is correct. For metabolism, sum of the total chemical reactions occurring in body. For cellular organization, composed of one or more cells. And reproduction, basically production of offsprings. So the correct option for this is option C. Now we have to move on question number 72. Question number 72 is also a matching type question. So let's match the correct one. Option A is taxon, basic unit of classification. Species, a taxonomic group of any rank. So we have to find out the right one. Okay, let's check. So here the correct option for this is option number C. As you can see in this taxon, a taxonomic group of any rank. Okay, so species is mainly basic unit of classification, and phylum is a division, is the same in category of same as plants, in case of plants, sorry. And genus, for genus, it is basically group of related species having more character in common with other species. And for order, identified based on number of similar characters. Okay, now we have to move on question number 73. In this, some taxonomic aids are given in column 1 and we have to find out the correct features in column 2. So let's check, students. Column A is herbarium. So it is basically preserved specimens on sheets, okay, become a storehouse for future use. And for botanical garden, it is basically generally set up in educational institute. For museum, it includes a specimen which can be easily classified on their observable characters. And for zoological parks, all animals provided similar condition to their natural habitat. And for key, it identify animals and plants on the basis of similarities and dissimilarities. So the correct option for this is option C. Okay guys, so let's move on question number 74. Question number 74, we also, in this question also we have to match out the correct one. So for ex situ conservation, it is Royal Botanical Garden, Q. Botanical gardens mainly comes under ex situ conservation, sorry. Okay, so option B is quick referral system is what? It is basically Central National Herbarium. Preserved plants and animals, it is museum. account of habitat and distribution of plant and area. It is flora. So the correct option is option D. Now we have to move on. Question number 75. In this question, we have to fill up the right options. So, what comes first? Obvious species, then genus, families, then what? Then order, then phylum division, and this is kingdom. So, which one is correct? So, the correct option is option B. Option B is correct. Okay. Now we have to move on. 76 question number. In this question, we have to identify the correct sequence of taxonomic categories. So the correct category is option D. Kingdom, division, class, order, phylum, genus, and species. Yeah, this is the correct one. And now we have to move on. Question number 77. Two plants can be conclusively said to belong to the same species if they have same number of chromosomes, if they can reproduce freely with each other and form seeds, have more than 90% of similar genes, look similar, and possesses identical secondary metabolisms. The correct one is option B. If they can reproduce freely with each other and form seeds, then it can be said that they belongs to same species. Okay. Let's move on. Question number 78. Taxa differs from taxon due to being which? A higher taxonomic category than taxon, lower taxonomic category than taxon, a plural taxon of taxon, or the singular of taxon. So which is correct? Actually, this is the plural form of taxon. So option C is correct. Now we move to question number 79, and it is taxonomic hierarchy refers to. So let's check the options. Option A is stepwise arrangement of all categories for classification of plants and animals. Yeah, this is the right one. Okay guys, so the right option is A. We don't need to move other options. This is the correct option. 79. The correct option is A. Now we have to move on. Question number 80. Question number 80 is two animals which are the number of same order must also be the member of same which it belongs to the same class also. Okay. Now the question number 81 is one of the most important function of botanical garden is that they provide beautiful area for recreation. One can observe tropical plants there. And option C is they allow ex situ conservation of germ plasm, or they provide the natural habitat for wildlife. So the correct option is they allow ex situ conservation of germ plasm. Okay, so option C is correct. Now we have to move on. Question number 82. So question number 82 is the disadvantage of using common names for a species is that the names may change. One name does not apply universally. One species may have several common names, and one common name may be applied to two species. And the option D is all of the above. So the correct option for question number 82 is option D. All of the above features are disadvantages of using common names. Okay. So let's move on. Question number 83. Question number 83 is the most important features of all living system is to what? Utilize oxygen to generate energy, replicate the genetic information, produce gametes, and the option D is utilize solar energy for metabolic activities. So the correct option here is replicate the genetic information is the most important feature, okay, for all living systems. So let's move on. Question number 84. The common characteristics between tomato and potato will be maximum at the level of their which one? It is basically in family. Okay. Now the question number 85 is which of the following is first step in taxonomy? It is basically identification. Okay. Identification is the main step. First step basically in taxonomy. Question number 86 is which of the following is the only taxonomic category that has real existence? So real existence, let's check the options in phylum, species, genus or kingdom. It is basically in species. Okay. Now we have to move on. Question number 87. So question number 87 is in angiosperm, characters of flowers are used in classification because flowers are attractive, flowers are large, characters of flowers are conserved, none of the above. So the correct option for this is character of flowers are conserved, okay, not for like attractive or large. Now we have to move on. Question number 88. As we go from species to kingdom in a taxonomy hierarchy, the number of common characters. So here two options are missing, guys, but don't worry, the correct option is decrease. Option as we go from species to kingdom, so the number of common character is basically decrease. Now we have to move on. Question number 89. Genus represent what? Genus represent an individual plant or animal, a collection of plant or animals, group of closely related species of plants or animals, or none of the above. So it is basically a group of related species. Okay. So option C is correct. Now we have to move on. Question number 90. The taxonomic unit phylum is the classification of animal is equivalent to which hierarchical level in classification of plants? It is basically division. Okay. Now we have to move on. Question number 91. Which of the following is less general in characters as compared to genus? A species, class, division or family? It is a species. Now we have to move on. Question number 92. Question number 92 is if an organism is in the same class but not in the same family, then it maybe belongs to same. Which one? It basically belongs to order. Okay. So option D is correct. So now we have to move on. Question number 93. Refer the botanical name of wheat, Triticum aestivum, and identify the statement which is correctly describes it. So first statement is the second word belongs to genus and start with a small letter. No, this is not correct. Second word is mainly represent species. Okay. So let's check the second option. Both the words Triticum aestivum denote the specific epithet. No, this is not. Only aestivum represent this, not the whole. Let's check the third option. The first word Triticum denotes the genus which start with capital letter. Yeah, this is the correct option. Yeah. Okay. Or we can also check the option D. The first word Triticum denotes the specific epithet while the second word denotes the genus. No, this is not correct. Basically, the Triticum denotes genus and the second word which is aestivum, it's mainly denotes specific epithet. Okay guys, so the correct option for question number 93 is Option C. Now we have to move on. Question number 94. Question number 94 is, which of the following characters given below displays the description of lowest taxonomic category of organisms in the plant and animal kingdom? So let's have a look on the options. It includes one or more than one order. It is a group containing one or more families. It is a group related organism that resemble one another. And option D is, it is a group of organisms that are closely related and share similar characteristics. So the correct option for this is option C. It is a group related organism that resemble one another. Okay. Now we have to move on. Question number 95. Which of the following show the correct example of taxonomic category, that is genus? Let's check. Option A is potato, tomato, brinjal belong to Solanum. Yeah, this is right. So option A is correct. Yeah, we got the answer, and this is option A. I think we don't need to check all these three because we have find out the right one here. That is option A. Okay. Now we have to move on. Question number 96. Let's check. As being a higher category in the assemblage of families which exhibit a few Y characters, the Z characters are less in number as compared to different genera, including in family. Identify X, Y, Z. So here we have to identify X, Y, and Z. So the correct option for this is option number A. X is order, Y is similar, and Z is also similar. Okay, so option A is correct for this. Now we have to move on the last question, that is 97. So the question is, couplet represent the choice made between two opposite options which results in. So 4 options are given here. First is rejection of both the option, acceptance of both the option, and either acceptance or rejection of both the option, and the last one is acceptance of only one and the rejection of other. So for couplet represents the choice made between two opposite options is result in. This is mainly acceptance of only one, and the rejection of other. So option D is correct basically. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and hope these are very helpful for your NEET exam. So take care.